everyone, this is Diana. I'm the Senior Manager of Merchandising and Retail here at Soko Glam, and we have a very exciting K-Beauty trend report for you today. We love reading your comments and suggestions, and a lot of you have been recently asking for more videos on anti-aging and wrinkles. We're so excited to introduce to you a new brand that we just curated called Easydew EX. Easydew was created by professional dermatologists and use a trending ingredient called EGF. EGF stands for epidermal growth factor, which is a polypeptide that helps skin regeneration and improves wrinkles. We specifically curated the EX line because it has the highest purity of EGF, which is medical grade. Back in 1986, scientists were awarded a Nobel Peace Prize in medicine for this breakthrough discovery. Even though it started in the medicine world, it has now made its way to the beauty world. The first product I would like to introduce to you is the Easydew EX Repair Control Renewal Moisturizer. This moisturizer helps with wrinkle improvement, skin regeneration, wound healing, and redness. This multitasking product helps plump the skin and encourage rejuvenation, which is why it's my personal favorite. If you're curious to try EGF, I highly suggest using this as a daily moisturizer. It's extremely lightweight and great for all skin types. I also want to introduce the Repair Control Active Soothing Serum, which is a really great travel-friendly gel serum that is super refreshing and lightweight. It's a great product to help fight signs of aging such as fine lines and sunspots, and it will help you achieve clear, younger looking skin. Lastly, we have the Repair Control EGF. This is the product for those looking to repair damaged skin fast. This treatment has a max dosage of DWEGF to really help speed up skin regeneration. So for those of you looking to target wrinkles, acne scars, and dark circles, this is a treatment for you. I know wrinkles and aging could be a scary thought. Trust me, I'm 31. But with the help of our friends over at Easydew, taking care of your skin will be your favorite adventure yet. Don't forget to comment below on what you would like to see on our next video. Thanks and bye!